Good morning students. Today our first online lecture, okay, and also we started a new topic, lesson number 15, area, okay. You know the area, different shapes in the mathematics, that is first it is a square, then rectangle and triangle. How to calculate the area of square? That is the equation area of square is equal to side square. You know that equation. Also area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And third one, it is the area of triangle. Then area of triangle equation will be 1 upon 2 base into corresponding height, as well as see in that figure 1 upon 2 base it is a BC, sec BC, and the height it is sec AD. By using this formula we calculate the area of different mathematical shapes, okay. Pause. Okay, next mathematical shape, it is a parallelogram. See, this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D, and in that parallelogram DM it is a height, and equation of parallelogram or how to calculate area of parallelogram, that is equal to base into corresponding height. Yes, area of parallelogram or quadrilateral ABCD is equal to base, that is AB, into height DM. Okay, you calculate by this equation area of parallelogram. See one example, that is if the base of the parallelogram is 18 centimeter and its height is 11 centimeter. Here two quantities are given, that is the base of parallelogram and height of parallelogram. Okay, by using these you calculate a area of parallelogram. How to calculate? First you have to write equation area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into corresponding height. Okay, height. Then next step, you put the value in that equation. You know the base that is 18 and multiplied by height. Okay, then calculate multiply these two numbers, 18 ones are 18, 18 ones are 18, 198 centimeter square. Okay, here centimeter is given and you calculate the area, then unit will be centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay, by this way you calculate the area of parallelogram. And next example, second example. See in that first example given two quantities, that is base and height. You calculate the area of parallelogram. In the second example, see the second example, if the area of parallelogram is 9.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter and you have to find its height. Okay, how to find height? First you write a equation area of parallelogram. Okay, that is equal to base into corresponding height. Okay, in that equation you know the area of parallelogram, that is equal to 29.6. also you know the base and you calculate height. Then 8 is transferred to left hand side, here it is multiplied to height, then whenever you transfer the left hand side it will be divide. Okay, divide is equal to height. Then first there are two methods. First you remove the decimal sign and then divide, as well as directly you divide. Okay, then I am first removing the decimal point, that is equal to multiplied by 10, numerator as well as denominator multiplied by 10. Okay, then multiplication will be 29 6.0 and here is 80 is equal to height. And you divide 80 to 296, okay, and division it is equal to 3.7 centimeter is equal to height, okay. And then you write the height of parallelogram, it is 3.7 centimeter. Okay, next example, third example, area of parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.3 centimeter, find the length of its base. Okay, in second example you calculate the height also, and in third example you calculate the base. Okay, in this example area of parallelogram and height is given and both quantity in the decimal point. Okay, see, first you write the equation, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay, then put up the value, that is area, that is 83.2, then base you don't know, then write base, or you consider the letter. Here first you write a letter, let base of the parallelogram, that is equal to x or y, and you use the letter in that equation. Okay, then next height it is 6.4. okay, then next step 6.4 is transferred to this side. Okay, 83.2, here 6.4 it is multiplied to base, then whenever you transfer to left hand side it will be divide. 6.4 is equal to base. Here both the numbers in the decimal point. First you remove the decimal point, multiplied by 10 to numerator, also multiplied by 10 to denominator. Okay, is equal to base. Then the numbers are, whenever you multiplied by 10, 832.0 and 64.0 is equal to base. Okay, and next you divide by 64 to 832, or you don't know the table of 64, then first you shortest form. Okay, divide by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 2s are, also divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are, then 2 8s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, then number will be 208 divided by 16 is equal to base, and 16 ones are 16, remaining 4, 16 3s are 48, therefore 13 is equal to base, or value of base is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, like this way all the examples of area of parallelogram, you calculate any one value, that is height or base, or calculate the area of parallelogram. बघा, तुम्हाला दोन कोणत्याही क्वांटिटी देऊन एक कोणती तर क्वांटिटी काढायला सांगितलं तर तिन्ही हे घेतलेले आहे मी. एका एक्झाम्पलमध्ये बेस नाही आहे, एका एक्झाम्पलमध्ये हाईट नाही आणि एका एक्झाम्पलमध्ये एरिया नाही, असे तिन्ही मेथडने घेतलेले आहेत. 3 एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करून दिलेले आहेत. आणखी 4 एक्झाम्पल होमवर्कला देणार आहेत कंपल्सरी, ते तुम्ही सॉल्व करून आज मला PDF सेंड करायचे. ओके.